art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Chef Mario, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's come over further to the right, and we're going to draw in a circle for the nose. Now from here, coming over, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right, tucking that in also. Let's come down for the pupil here. So we're going to draw in an arch line, curving that back through. And then coming down again for the pupil, just drawing in another arch line. Now let's draw in a circle. And then we're just going to color in each one of these black. Now let's come up for the eyebrows. So we're going to arch this up and over on each side. And now from that point on the inside, just curving this back around and down. Now for the eyebrows, leaving a gap, we're just going to curve this out on each side. Now let's round out each side, curving this over and through to the middle. Again, from that point, tucking this down and back up. And then again in the middle, curving this into the top. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve that line across. Let's color in the behind portion of this black now. Let's come up for the top of the chef hat. So right in the middle, a slight curved line. Coming behind, curving that down on a diagonal on each side. Now from here, we're going to curve the edge slightly, pulling that up to the top, ending that at the same height. Let's round this out with a curved line on the top again here. Now on the left and right hand side, we're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming up to the top. Now in the center here, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the top of that chef hat. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, tucking that over and in on the side. Now let's draw in the hair. So stepping down, we're going to curve this around and up. And then moving up again, we're just going to curve this around, in and through to the top. Let's frame in the chin first here. So we're just going to follow that shape around the mouth, curving that up. To the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in towards the hair. And then we'll replicate that on the right. Let's draw in the ears here now. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the left-hand side. We'll line that up at the same height on the right. Now on the top, let's curve that out. And then moving back down, let's just draw in another half circle. Now in the middle here, we're going to draw in a circle for the bow right in the center. From the middle here now, we're just going to curve this line over and out on each side, ending that at the same height. And now from that point, we're going to tuck this back over and into the top. Now in the middle, let's curve this line down. To the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, tucking that up. Let's draw in the chef coat here. So coming down on a diagonal, we're going to curve this down to the bottom. We'll line that up at the exact same height on the right, replicating that. Close this off underneath now with a curved line. To the left-hand side, we're going to pull this line up and then drag that back in on a diagonal. Now coming over for the button, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now to the right of this for the shoulder, we're going to curve this down. To the left-hand side, we're going to pull this line up and then drag that back in on a diagonal. Now coming over for the button, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now to the right of this for the shoulder, we're going to curve this down. To the right of this for the shoulder, we're going to We're going to arch this line out. We're going to curve this back down on the side. And then we're just going to arch that back into the middle. Let's come down for the thumb here. So we're just going to curve that up for that first finger, rounding that out, tucking that in. Let's add in a corner bracket on top there. Now for that center finger, curving that back through. And then again, one more time, arching that around and in towards the top. Now from the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this line out on each side, ending that at the same height. From here on a diagonal, we're just going to curve that across. Let's round out the top of the foot here, arching that over and down. Ending that at the same height again. Now on the inside, let's curve that back down. And then we're just going to close that off with a curved line. Let's move up one more time for the sole of the shoe, curving that back in. Now for the top of the pants, we're just going to curve that through towards the middle. And then we're going to draw in a straight line coming up on each side. Now let's draw in that left hand holding in the frying pan. So on the top here for the top of the arm, curving that across. Let's do the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same width there. From that point, we're going to close that off by curving that down. Now let's come through. So from the top here, we're going to round out the thumb, arching that over and in. Now we're going to curve this all the way around, down, and then tucking that back in for the pinky. For that center finger there, we're just going to curve that up, tucking that over and through. Now let's draw on the handle here. So coming down underneath, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming down on both sides. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line. Now underneath, we're going to arch that up. From that point again, bringing that through. Now underneath, curving that line across. On the top here, we're going to draw in another straight line on each side, pulling that up, ending that at the same height. Now let's draw in a nice big circle. Moving in towards the middle, let's draw in another circle. And that is it. That's how you draw Chef Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.